Hi everyone, this is Catch Beres Collection. You're welcome to my tutorial. Today I'll be taking you people on how to cut this lovely women blouse that you are seeing here. It's an off shoulder and it has a ruffle sleeve, and it's beaded, it's toned instead. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. So let's get started. So now I've folded my paper into two. Just assume that I've folded it because I just have one part here. So just assume. So I'm working with my ruler, my pen, my pencil, and this is the measurement that I'll be working with. I have my tape as well. So I've marked out my starting point and I'm taking my half length, which is 17 inches. So this is going to have a bust dart and the underbust tightening. Yeah. So that is my top length, which is 25. So now, because of the bust dart that I'll be using, I have to go down by 2 inches. Like that is to add extra 2 inches to my blouse measurement. So the first half length that I'm marking, this one that I'm marking right now, is for me to use it and get the accurate bust points and underbust that I'll be using. Once you have your client's half length, you can use it and get your bust point and the underbust round or underbust measurement rather. So I'm connecting the lines now. So I'm marking out my shoulder, which is 14.5 divided by 2, and it gave me this thing 7.5. Sorry, 7.25 rather. So I'm marking out my shoulder slope, and from there I'm going to get my chest line. Please, if you want to get your chest line, just divide your bust into 6, then add 1.5 inches to it. It's standard. It works for everybody, both plus size and then normal size. So I'm connecting the lines. So I'm measuring out my bust points. So for you to get your bust point, go up by 6 inches from your half length. Go up by 6 inches from your half length and you will get your bust point. And your underbust, for you to get it, you go up by 2 inches from your underbust. But me, I like adding half inch to the 2 inches, making it 2.5 inches from the half length because of bust lift. So I'm marking out 2.5 inches instead of 2 inches because of bust lift. So this is me connecting the lines. So this is my chest line, my bust points, my underbust, and my half length. That other line is no longer in use. I'm going to clean it off. Yes. So remaining the underbust line and the bust points. So I've wiped it off. Remember, I said I used it to get the bust point and the underbust. So now I'm dividing this shoulder into two for me to get the mid part of it. Then there, I'm going to go in by a ½ inch for the front of the clothes. Then I connect it. If you have your French curve, it will be much easier for you. But me, I prefer doing my own this way. I'm using a freehand method. So now I've divided my bust into 4. And my half length into 4. And I'm connecting the lines. And my hips as well into 4. And this is me connecting the lines. So please make sure you blend all the sharp edges. Don't allow yours to be sharp. Blend it in, blend it when cutting.